Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate camera stabilizer in the video mode on an Android phone. So here I'm using a Vivo phone, and the stabilizer is not on all of the Android phones, so it depends on your model's phone. So here I'm going to just click on the camera icon, and then here to activate the stabilizer, you can just go to the camera settings at the top right corner, and there will be this stabilization. So just tap on that button so you can try taking a video with this is on. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.